Hello, welcome back. So in today's video we are going to be looking on how to connect Google Form to Slack and get notification on Slack, okay, using Zapier. So the first thing that we are going to be doing is, the first step is, we are going to create our Google Form. So to do that, just come to your Google Form, go to Chrome and type in Google Form, or you come to your or you go to Google and search for, then it's going to bring out the Google Form for you. Just sign in and then now come here and click on plus, create your Google Form. And after you have created your Google Form, this is what I created. I am creating a Google Form for fitness coaching services, and I added the name, the email address, the services needed, and also some notes. This is the form I want people to fill in, and I now connected it to a Google Sheet. I want it to populate on a Google Sheet before I can now send them to Slack. So after I've already connected it, I published and now took my link and open a new tab. I collected this link, I open a new tab. I open a new tab for it. Then I imputed some items here so that it can be able to populate on my Zap when I run test it. So after that, if we go back to our board, we are going to see that after creating your Google Form and connecting it to your sheet, you go to the next step, which is start a new Zap. So we are going to go to our Zapier, and this is the Zap that I created. And the first thing I did was to connect my Google Sheet. Okay, we are not going to connect the form since we have already connected the form to Google Sheet. We are now going to be using Google Sheet because that's where our information is being stored. So that's where we are going to be taking out the information we need to Slack. So I came here, my trigger was Google Sheet. I selected Google Sheet, as you can see here. And then I connected my Google Sheet. After that, my trigger event is new spreadsheet row. So I selected the new spreadsheet row. Okay, if you come here, you see it here, new spreadsheet row, and then you select it. Now connect your Gmail or the sheet that your Gmail sheet. After connecting it, then you now go to the other one and then configure. You now choose your sheet name, which is fitness coaching services, and then after selecting it, you come here and select your worksheet, which is the form responses one. For me, it might be different for you. Click on continue and then come here to your test and run test it. As you can see here, you see the information that I imputed before when I submitted my Google Form. Remember that I said that you need to take your link, open a new tab, and answer the form, input some items, so that when you test it here, Zapier will recognize it and populate it and bring it out for you here. So this is what Zapier brought out for me. This is it, the information that I'm looking for. And after that, I clicked on continue. So when I clicked on continue, I need to go back to our board to see the next step. Our next step is to set up the trigger Google Sheet, which we have already created, right? Yes. So the fourth one is to set your Slack and create a channel. So we are going to go to our Slack. This is the Slack that I created. This is my own Slack. Okay, for you now, you need to come to Google and type in and search for Slack, and then come here, open it up. All right, so when you come here, you're going to use your Gmail account to create a workspace for yourself. So now I came here and I clicked on create a new workspace. That's why you can see that I have two workspace here. So when you click on your own create workspace, you see the direction, and it's easy to follow. Just connect your Google your email and then create your workspace. Then for me, this is the one I created, and this is it here. This is the workspace. Then I came here when when creating your workspace, you'll be asked to create a channel, then give it the name of the channel you want. So here now I created the channel. I created the channel that I want, which is all fitness, and this is it. Then if you want to create a new channel, you can come here, there is plus button here, click on it, you'll see create a new channel, and that's how you create a new channel. But I don't need to create a new channel because I already have one. So after creating it, you are already done with the step that we are step 4. Then we go over to step 5, which is to set up our Zap. The step 5 now is to set up our action on our Zap using Zapier. So after that, the action now is Slack. We come here, our action event is send channel message. If you scroll here, you see send channel message. So after sending it, connect your Slack. You just click here, you see where they will direct you to where you can connect your Slack, the Slack that you have already created. Then after that, you click on continue. You see where you are asked to configure, map out the Slack channel and everything. Then here now, I came here, the channel that I want to use is all fitness. Okay, I clicked on it, and then this here now, the message, this is where we are going to impute the message that we want Google Sheet to send to Slack. Okay, this is where we are going to put in the information that we want Slack to store for us. So here now, because I want the name, the email address, the services needed, and the notes to appear here, then what I did was I started mapping them one after the other. I clicked on this plus button, I clicked on the name, it's mapped, I gave a gap, I clicked on enter, then gave me space for this. I also clicked on this plus button again. This is how I was just mapping them. I make sure that I mapped everything that I want to appear on my Slack channel. Then after that, because I don't want the bot name to be Zapier, I now changed the name here to fitness coach. It can be anything that you want to name it. It can be anything that you want to appear on your Slack channel, any name. So for me, since I'm doing this for a fitness coach, so that's why I named the bot fitness coach. Then you can now leave everything because we don't need any other thing here, and you now click on continue. When you click on continue, you now test it. Make sure you test so that you know if it's populating. Okay, then after testing, you can now go back to our Slack, and you see that this is the first one I created, which is Zapier. Before I now came here and changed the name to fitness coach, and I ran the test again. That's why it came here. Now this is the one that we just did. Now this is the test that we just ran, and it came here. So after that, the last thing that you need to do is to publish your Zap, and make sure you name your Zap Google Form Slack notification. Then we published. Then after publishing, we are going to now check whether what we just built, if it's really working. Now the first thing that we are going to do is to fill in our form to send it to Slack. So now we are going to create our form. Firstly, let's name it, then our email address will be, then we now choose the services we need. We choose general fitness services, and here now we can now add anything that we want to add. Okay, so now we now submit. We want to see whether what we just built, whether is coming out. We have already published our Zap. We hope that it's now running inside. Let's go and check whether it's appeared here. It might take some time before it appears here, but we are still going to wait for it to appear. So this is it came. This is our information. You see it, Chioma Jennifer, chioma@gmail.com, general fitness services. Thank you. This is it. So this is how you can create your Slack notification from Google Form. So if you have any question, please make sure to drop it in the comment section, and I'll attend to you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.